Hi guys, I am back with a dip powder mani. So before we get started, I am using, I have on one coat, of UNT Peel Off Base Coat on top of my builder gel. And I'm going to be using Color My World Odorless Dip Liquids, the activators from their regular dip liquid set. And I will also be using Color My World HEMA Free No Wipe Gel Top Coat, which requires an UV LED lamp. And I'll be using these three colors: Maui, Easter Sunday, and Clear. I have a cuticle stick from Shein to clean up my cuticles, and I will be using a pipette to apply clear. And y'all, look at the pretty rainbow brush from Color My World Dips as well. I will be using my disposable dip powder tray and a cupcake liner, and also my finger rest from Liquid Layers Studio. So guys, hang out with me while I do this dip powder application, which is Easter themed. So it's Resurrection Sunday, y'all. So one thing with odorless dip liquids, they do take a little bit longer to dry. So you'll see throughout the video where I dip my finger several times into the Maui color, which is the soft pink, just because to get that base dip liquid to soak up that dip powder. So you'll see me dipping several times or laying my finger flat. I have not introduced myself in quite some time. So hi guys, my name is Tish. I am a nurse, registered nurse, who loves to do my own nails at home. Now I know you may be asking, you're a nurse with those long nails. Listen, I do not provide direct patient care anymore. I actually provide IT support for our software system. But anyway, so for those of you that are new, welcome to my channel. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. It is free. And so for those of you that are existing subscribers, I really appreciate you guys hanging in there with me during my nail journey here on YouTube. So with Color My World dips, I've had, I think I ordered their starter kits off of Etsy quite some time ago. I want to say either in October or November. And then I liked the colors that I saw even before I used them. Amber had, and that's the owner of Color My World Dips, Amber, she had an advent calendar and for the holidays, and I decided to purchase the advent calendar, and it had some really pretty colors on there. And I didn't get to do a video with majority of the colors. I think I did a New Year's Eve and was it Christmas themed? No, they were both. I did 2 New Year's Eve themed manis with Color My World dips, and I was sold. And then when I found that there were odorless dip liquids, I was like, bet. So you may want to check Color My World dips out on Etsy. Nice dip powders, nice products. But also I don't have a discount code though for you, so I don't have one. I'm sorry. There are also other Etsy shops, and as I mentioned in the previous video, I have several dip powder companies that I have purchased from on Etsy, which I think on Etsy you find a lot of unique dip powders, more so than you would find with some larger dip powder brands. I am going in and applying activator to my thumb and pinky because the next color, Easter Sunday, has glitter in it. It's a glitter color, and so I don't want to get the glitter on that flat color because it will stick to it and it'll be hard to get off. So that's the key to keeping the glitter off your flat colors. Activate before you start using the glitter. Y'all, look how pretty that color is. And I was sold when I saw it had crosses in there. So because it took me back to growing up, and I grew up in a Presbyterian church, which was rather boring as a kid, but anyway, and we grew up. Now I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina, and we went to church in Huntersville, which at that time was considered the country. And so y'all, on Easter, and we went to church every Sunday, but on Easter I knew like my entire family was coming to church and I was gonna get to see all my cousins and all that stuff. So this kind of took me back to growing up in church and Easter Sunday. And I had an aunt live right across the grass from the church. Yes, her house was across the grass from the church, and we would go over there, y'all. We would dye Easter eggs the night before. And it's a wonder. It's amazing. Those eggs sat out all freaking day. And we would be eating the eggs. It's a wonder my brother and I didn't get sick. Just, did y'all do that growing up? Like, I don't know. I'm in my 40s. So, you know, if you're around my age, did y'all dye real Easter eggs and they sit out all doggone day and we ate them? It's amazing we didn't die from like E. coli or whatever else is in the egg, salmonella. And of course they were, you know, boiled eggs, but still, for them to sit out all day and then we sit up there eating them all day like crazy people. But anyway, so I just enjoyed that about Easter. And plus you learned about, you know, Christ, Jesus, you know, he rose on the third day and all that great stuff. Again, I hadn't been to church in a while, shameful. But anyway, so I'm going in with Easter Sunday, and again, I really love the fact that it had these crosses in there, but they were kind of hard to stick to the nail and to get the proper placement. So with the first application, I poured it over, and with the second application, I laid my finger flat. Now, my intentions on this middle finger was to do a French. And I was trying to do it like a little triangle French. That didn't work. So I ended up, you know, just sticking my finger in there, y'all. What happened was I went in and activated and scraped it off with my little cuticle scraper. Scraped that product right off, and it was gummy. It hadn't hardened yet, so it just came right up off the nail. And I ended up putting clear on my middle finger because I just did not like the way it looked. And then I'm just taking off those crosses because I didn't like their orientation on my nail. So I'm going to go in and individually place the crosses on my ring and index finger, and then I will encapsulate in clear. So I encapsulated in clear, and y'all look at that terrible middle finger. So again, I went in and activated all my nails, waited about 5 minutes before I did my filing and buffing, and then I did end up scraping off the dip powder from my middle finger and applying just Color My World Dips clear. So I did that, and I completed my filing and buffing. So y'all, I decided to go in with iGel Beauty's Jewelry Gel and apply some embellishments to my nail, or rhinestones, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm applying that with the nail brush to my entire nail, and this is a no wipe jewelry gel, so I didn't need to apply top coat after that. You can, but I end up putting on a cross embellishment or charm, and then I put pink rhinestones around that and cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So guys, part of this I was out of frame, my apologies. So I could have done a little better with the placement of rhinestones, but I put the ones towards the free edge of my nail too close together, but I thought it was pretty though. Y'all know I like extra, so last week y'all didn't get extra. This week you get real extra with the crosses. And that little rhinestone set with the cross in there, I don't know where I got it from. I don't know if I got it off Amazon or off Etsy. Either way, so that's where that cross came from. And so I'm going in with these pink rhinestones. I did get these off Amazon, and so I cure for 60 seconds, and then I also apply rhinestones to the cuticle area of my thumbnail because it was a little jacked up, and my pinky as well. I didn't get those areas as clean as I would have liked to, so I decided to apply rhinestones to those areas. See, if you don't get your cuticles perfect, just put some rhinestones on that bad boy and keep it moving. So I applied 2 coats of Color My World Dips HEMA Free Gel Top Coat and cured for 60 seconds in between each set. So each application. So guys, like this video if you like the content. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel to help my channel. It is free, and leave a comment to help YouTube's algorithm. I would appreciate it. And so after your nails have cooled off from in the lamp, I'm applying my favorite cuticle oil, which I've been having this eucalyptus forever. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week.